I am Dr. K R Nagaraj. I am a practicing prosthodontist and an implantologist, and I have been practicing for 20 years. I did my graduation from VS Dental College and I did my masters in prosthodontics and implantology from Bapuji Dental College, Davangere. I have been teaching in various dental institutions as an undergraduate teacher as well as a postgraduate teacher. I have guided several students in their master's program. I have also specialized in implantology and I am a practicing implantologist for the last 15 years. I have attended several national and international conferences, and also I have been a faculty in several dental training programs. My dental clinic is known as Lalitha Dental Speciality Center, and we have two centers, one in Jayanagar 7th block and one in Jayanagar 8th block. The Jayanagar 7th block clinic was designed in order to give a different kind of feel for the patients, because normally the patients, as soon as they walk into the dental clinic, they have a fear of the space. It's called as a claustrophobic effect, which we wanted to eliminate. We wanted the patients to be more comfortable. We wanted to bring in nature's elements into the dental clinic, wherein there is a lot of light, there is a lot of air, there is a lot of free movement, there is no binding four walls in the dental clinic. And we also wanted this clinic to be a one-stop solution for all the dental problems, wherein they do not have to go out for any investigations outside. We have an in-house CBCT also, wherein the entire treatment planning can be carried out here. And we have all the best of the world dental equipments in our dental practice, which can cater to all types of treatments what is available today in dentistry. Our Jayanagar 7th block dental clinic is a state-of-the-art dental clinic, which is a very rare thing to find nowadays in India. Our clinic is the first clinic in India to follow a process flow for all the treatments and treatment planning procedures. For further understanding of our clinic, you can visit our website www.ldsc.in, which gives you a comprehensive idea of our dental clinic.